European countries always have a shortage of skilled people, and hence few of the European countries sponsor visas from other countries. Also, if you're lucky, you may get few additional perks like relocation amount, and also few companies pay for your flights and initial cost of stay. Hello guys, I'm Sarika and welcome to Your Knowledge Buddy. If you're visiting our channel for the first time, I make videos to help you in your career. You can also connect and chat with me on Instagram and discuss your questions in private if you wish. Previously, I have made a video on how to apply for a job in the UK, and based on your popular request, today I'm covering how to find a job in other parts of European countries. But before we start with our today's topic, few things to keep in mind before you start applying for job are: number one, make sure you are using the right CV template. If you don't have, leave me your email ID in the comment section below. Also, you can use the website Europass to create your own CV by filling in your job details. Number two, cover letter. This is really important for jobs in Europe. So make sure to create a generic cover letter and always update it based on the job you are applying for. I've already created a detailed video on how to create a cover letter. I will leave the link in the description. Number three, create a professional email ID which you can use to register on different job sites. Number four, also get a professional photo clicked which you should add on your CV and all other job sites like LinkedIn. So first way to apply job is via LinkedIn. Let's see a quick demo now.
So log into your LinkedIn account and from your home page, move to the jobs banner. So you will be provided two search fields. So on the first one, make sure you enter your title or the job that you're looking for. Say you are looking for Java developer. But here, because you are trying to find a job in Europe, and if you need a visa sponsorship, make sure you add a keyword like visa or visa sponsorship. So let's use visa. And here you have option of country. So let's say you are interested in Germany. So let's put Germany and search. Now, based on your search criteria, you can see there are 32 results. So at the moment, 32 companies are willing to sponsor you. And how do you want to see if there is a visa sponsor? So just do a Control F from your screen, enter visa, and just do a search here. So at the moment, you see here they say visa support welcome. So it means if you think this job is for you, you can simply click here, easy apply, and they will be ready to sponsor your visa as well. Let's take another example of, say, senior Java developer. You already have search visa. Let's do. Okay, so here in the next one, you can see assistance with relocation or visa application. So it means they are supporting it. You will be getting it. The next one, again, let's try to check for visa. You can see they are offering the relocation amount, and it includes visa assistance along with apartment search and help with the cost. So once you read the job description, and if you think this is the job for you, it's an easy apply. Simply click here and your application will be submitted. And also, if you want to get an alert of jobs like this, you have an option of switching this on, and whether you need daily or weekly or weekly, you can select it from here and say I'm saving it. So LinkedIn is a very powerful tool. You can use it to the maximum to your benefit. So next one, stackoverflow.com. So from the stackoverflow.com, you have to create an account, and once you have created an account, from your left banner, go to the jobs. You will be provided with two search fields. Here the job title, and here your country. So I was looking for, say, Java developer. Let's do a Java developer. And here, say you're interested in Germany. Germany. And you have another filter here, visa sponsor, offers relocation, and the other perks as well. So just click on visa sponsor, apply filters, and you can see there are 128 jobs available for Java developer who are ready to sponsor your visa. And Stack Overflow is another good tool because at the top you can see they say whether visa is sponsored or not, and there's another paid relocation as well. Let's take another example of, say, next one, eBay. You can check here for principal backend engineer, visa sponsor is available with paid relocation. Let's do another search. You can see visa sponsor is given on all the jobs listed here. Again, this is my second favorite after LinkedIn. Okay, if you think this is job for you, simply click on apply and you will be taken to their main page, and this job is already applied. Now let's move to the next one. Third on my list is Glassdoor. Again, you need to have your account created here, so make sure you create your account, and then on the top banner jobs, click on jobs. You will be given your two search results. On the first search banner, just give an example of, say, Python developer, and write visa sponsorship, and say the country you're interested is in Germany. Based on your search result, you can see there are some jobs available, but the trick is I find it difficult to find us visa here. So if I mention visa on here, I can't see any visa related thing. So what you can do is, on the left you see top companies for Python developer visa sponsorship in Germany are this. So they provide you a list of all this company. So I will suggest have a look at their website in their career site to see if they have any visa sponsorship job. Okay, now moving to the next one is Indeed. So again, make sure you create your account here, and once you log in, from the top left, find jobs, click on the job you're looking for, say Java developer. You can give you any location. I've just given London at the moment. And once you do find jobs, you can see there are quite good number of results. So on the first one, on the heading itself, it's saying a tier 2 visa sponsorship is available, and you can directly apply with Indeed if you have already created your account and if your CV is uploaded. Let's take another example, this one. So say you are a developer. So on this line, say we would like to convert competent candidate as a full-time employee eventually, and we are able to sponsor tier 2 visa to international students. So if you're studying here, or you are on PSW or will be on PSW, and if this kind of job interests you, there are companies who sponsors you. So make sure you keep on looking for it and use the keyword in your search like visa or visa sponsorship. Now the fifth one is eu.expertise.com. Again, the search criteria is very much similar. At the top, just give Java developer or whatever your job title is, and give the keyword as visa sponsorship. From here, you can search the result completely just in Europe, or you can select all the companies here. If you are interested in particular country, just select from here, and then you can click on search. However, the result for the visa sponsorship wasn't great on this website. The next on my list is Zing.com. Again, make sure you create your account, and once you log in, from the left panel you need to click on jobs and look for like Python developer. You can give your country you're interested in and do a search, and you can see the results here. But if I just change this to visa sponsor, I don't think I'm getting any result. Yeah, so you don't get any result if you put visa. So you will have to literally go to each job and see whether they are sponsoring your visa or not. So that's the demo of all the websites I know. So my recommendation is definitely LinkedIn, and Stack Overflow is really good, and the third is Indeed.
So my suggestion and recommendation are: first, to keep trying as you won't be successful in the first go. Also make sure to create an account on all the job sites to get your chances high of getting a job. IT and medical professionals are always in high demand in Europe. So if you have those skills, you may get a job soon. But for others, you need to be a little patient and keep trying till you find the job that you are looking for. Number 2, you may come across few agencies who would promise to give you a job and visa. So please be careful and mindful of them and do your own research before you pay them heavy fees. Number 3, creating a LinkedIn profile is a must and it's not even a choice now. If you need a decent job, make sure to highlight your career summary and add all the key skills. Most of the people in my network got jobs through LinkedIn, so make sure it's updated, including your professional photo. Also, LinkedIn Premium is free for 1 month, so make the most of this feature for 1 month, as this will help you with interview preparation. You can access free LinkedIn course, you can check who viewed your profile, and also get email messages directly from your recruiters in your inbox. Number 4, grow your network. If you know anybody from your friend circle who got a job in Europe, just try to connect with them and ask for help and suggestions on how you can improve your profile, and also ask them for references. Number 5, local language. If you know the local language of the country you are applying for, you will always be preferred as compared to the other candidate. So if you got time, you can learn some basic level of the local language of the country via Udemy or Coursera. So if my video helped you today, please consider liking and subscribing, and I promise to work more harder in the future to get your attention. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and I'll see you soon with my next video. Till then, keep learning.